Roll up trees in the car, tearing the blunts to the weeds in the car. When I breathe in the car, took a cheap in the car. Feeding for something to eat and I'm starved. Think I'm gonna go get a drink at the bar. I was like 18 deep in the bar when I saw the Cadillac with the keys in the car, so I drove off in it. It's a motherfucking dream car, bitch almost goes off in it. Oh, you get dropped off, take your top off and all the other clothes off in it. Getting told off, split it, I'll be leveling up. In the glove box with the Benjamin stuff. Next to a 38 custom bust you with the pedal and just get there, shut of the rush. Not a medicine up, but something's up, cuz I just saw this little funky up blood. Looking kinda like a drunken young thug in a fucking slug bug. Bumping thugs about jump on the freeway. Pulling GTA like CJ. Even though it's committed like eBay. I'ma whip it like I'm in a house PJ. What more can I ask for? Gotta watch out for the task force. City turned into a crash course. Pop trucks and see with the last doors. Now 2 more chains in the back door. Take drinks in the dope game passport. This car is a cocaine transport. They keep saying there's no way down short.
All black Cadillac, find out where the better snap. Take a for a spin and in the morning you can have a bank. All black Cadillac.
Hands up one time.
All black Cadillac.
Let's turn it up.
All black Cadillac, find out where the better snap. Take a for a spin and in the morning you can have a bank. All black Cadillac.
Oh yeah.
All black Cadillac. I'm the one in charge right now, right now. I'm the one in charge right now, right now. I'm the one in charge right now, right now. I'm the one in charge right now, right now.
I met this lady from Spain and we drinking rum from Romania. Took some pills for the pain and drugs she got from Lithuania. And a friend from Albania, she got snow from Cambodia. And some opium, she got all the way from Ethiopia. Make the world mine. I need plenty to follow. When the size of your pocket change, they'll be petty tomorrow. If a dime gold digging, leave a penny to borrow. I play all 4 quarters, fucking envy and sorrows. I'm just a young buck. Keep your jealousy bottle, swallow your motherfucking pride like the Hennessy bottle. Artists can try and stop me by filling this heavy with autos, but the only one shooting shit up is Demi Lovato. Bitch, I be
moonwalking, worldwide business. I'ma take control of the world I live in. Sleepwalking, bitch keep talking. Got my phone turned off cause your bitch keep calling.
this bitch. That's why you don't give a girl you don't like your phone number. She'll like you more than you like her. You already know I'm smoking a zip of the pine and cinder. Cause your lip, it's time to zip it up. These lines committed to giving your mind a rhyme and cinnamon. Better my center, bending your perimeter, your spine. I hit with the limited rhyme so sinister that when I deliver, they finna be giving your spine a bifida. Hey, y'all ready to turn up tonight? Make some fucking noise. Oh, y'all can be louder than that. I said make some fucking noise one time. Hands up. Let's go. Everybody put them hands up. Right side, put your motherfucking hands up. Let's go. You know where I'm from? Bitch, I'm from
California, San Diego, Sacramento, San Francisco. You can just go to
California,
Long Beach, Oakland to LA. Ain't no place I'd rather stay.
California,
This my favorite place and all the women so amazing up in
California.
On a late night you can ride with me all over the streets of
I
Cali.
don't wanna be reckless in Texas, drink Hennessy in Tennessee. Pop a bottle in Colorado, tell every drop is follow consensus to the center. Better treat with a better way to be. Burn cannabis in Los Angeles, so you plan to just never leave the state of mind in my state. Stay climbing like the crime rate. Take time to gain to my strength. Sun shining blind in my face. Run from a 9 to 5 and I ain't gun to my face to find where I came from. GCA to spell constellation. A big group of stars, let me name some. Warren G, too short the game. Dr. Dre, Nipsey, WC, Razzcast, Daz, Eagle, Double G, NWA, Easy, J-Rock, Kendrick, Metallica, The Doors, Guns N' Roses, Cypress Hill, DJ Quick, No Doubt, Me, Linkin Park, Easha Cole, Hepso, that's what we say, no, we can't go in place, so.
California,
San Diego, Sacramento, San Francisco. You can just go to
California,
Long Beach, Oakland to LA. Ain't no place I'd rather stay. This my favorite place and all the women so amazing up in
California.
On a late night you can ride with me all over the streets of Cali.
How the fuck y'all feeling tonight? There's so much weed smoke in the room that I get cotton mouth. God damn. Hey, right side, make some fucking noise one time. Middle, show them what making noise is all about one time. God, that fucking guy right there. Left side, shit on them. Alright, I got some fat ass joints. And I'm gonna throw them out. They're 1.5 grams, smothered and covered in hash and all that good shit. But I'm only gonna throw them out if everybody in this room goes crazy when this beat drops. Can y'all do that for me? Can y'all do that for me? Ready, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Fire in the sky, let it burn down the city. Flash out, fill it up, now you feeling dizzy. Freaks in the night, everybody getting busy. Fire, keep them up. Fire, woo. This ain't a glass of aqua, this a glass of vodka. Stomach burning like I'm drinking them on a glass of lava. Chasing down my sauces hot as Sriracha the knocker. Let the fire rise to my eyes like I'm hot boxing. You cock block and I got options. Vanessa, Jessica, Lily, Amelia, make the tops drop and I call it drop top and they're real daddy. When I'm fluid, get involved and we feel sloppy. Now we jolly like we turn it up with Bill Cosby. Got a baddie with a nice little body, but a haircut like Lil Yachty. I rolled up, I told her, I'm colder, there's spice soda. Till life's over, so slide over. Your friend's fine, and I kinda wanna show her this white cobra before the night's over. She told me hello, I'm Whitney from Houston. She told me hello, I'm Whitney from Houston. And when she was grooving, them titties was moving. She got her ass and is grown in a class of her own. Yeah, she the prettiest student. I saw that fire light up in the eyes, baby. Let's burn this whole fucking city to ruins.
Burn this motherfucker down to the ground. Lot of crowns,
Speed it up right here.
going round. I'm lit up.
Let us flip up to lift up and pick up a lot of momentum. I'm in the middle of making a drink and a strip on the liver, catching and making a mess of me. Know when I'm fucking ready to call it a night. But it's already dying when he's drunk and he's talking to fly. Can't be back, fuck what you heard. Grab me with drinking, that's what you deserve. Out in the clouds, right at the perk. Loving the way she be making it work. Okay, we back, fuck what you heard. Grab me with shot if that's what you deserve. Light up the sky without a concern. City on fire, we letting it burn. Fire in the sky, let it burn down the city. Blast out, fill it up, now you feeling dizzy. Freaks in the night, everybody getting busy. Fire in the sky, fire in my eyes. God damn, I like this fucking crowd. Where them joints at? You guys made some fucking noise. We're gonna throw them joints out. Y'all ain't ready though. Real quick. And where's the light man? Turn the lights off real quick. Make it black in here, pitch black. Where's the light man? Fuck it. We gonna turn up. Oh, there we go. Let's go, everybody. You went to bed and you woke your mamas and fucking woke up in a brand new palace. See an Olympic amount of go rings on your hand as you reach for your brand new shadow. Scrolling around with the allowance you glad as you walk in the bank with a brand new balance. They double check every check and double the amount they count every year as a count. Check your phone, you got 80 missed calls, every lady says all the new. Last month only got a missed call or two. Cash up, everybody just follow you. If all of you gon' act up, back up, you back in your bag, in the back of your black Maserati. You isn't lying, your engine is forward. You pouring forward, relaxing your body, you finally made it. You want some designer clothes, some hoes and photo. Let your fucking mind design a mental photo. The troubles and colors you mix up in the palette. Use the paint and paint a picture. You went to bed with a queen in your palace and fucking woke up inside your mama's house. Reach for the blinds in your hands and just cradle with calluses. Violence is just trauma house. Put it all disappear. Rivers here to make it take to make it rain in some kind of drought. Challenge and balance in everyday struggle. Don't let your body hide the other left. Living in such a way, they sit in a position and wishing they fucking pay. Obviously they get the bitch and they fucking say only liquor can under pain. Never listen to what they say. Get rich and run away to a better place forever. Hesitate for pressure to generate the pleasure. We can detonate together. I feel like You guys are really fucking with this shit right now. Let's go. Make some noise one more time. Let me hear that shit. Hey DJ, can you press pause on that shit one time? He's texting. He's swiping on Tinder. Hey DJ. Press pause right quick. Where's my girl at? We're gonna have a beer chugging contest in this bitch one time. Oscar and the other girl, come up here. We about to run it one time. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? You're right there? Oh, we got a lot of people. All right. Y'all need to make a circle right there. We coming in. Watch out, I'm coming in. Y'all ain't ready for this though. Y'all ain't turning up though. Who's battling? I need 2 people to battle. Oh, okay, we got one right here. Who's battling her? Hey, make a circle right here. Make a circle. Turn it up. Turn it up. Woo! All right. What's your name? Kelsey. Hey, who's battling her? On the count of 3, everyone count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go! Go! Chug, 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 chug. Get it, Kelsey. Oh shit! It's lit. Oh, keep going. Goddamn. It's still going. Come on. I need this. Y'all ready for the last shit? Make some noise one time. When I say smoke, y'all say kush. Smoke. Smoke. When I say drink, y'all say liquor. Drink. Drink. I need to know if y'all really ready for this last shit. Right here, make some noise one more time. Everybody make some fucking noise. Let's get it. My check is blasting. Why you lying? My checks is stacking. Why you lying? My money flows. Why you lying? I got 20 hoes. Why you lying? Why you trying to deny the truth? Supply the proof instead of neglecting the honesty. We ain't respecting you honestly. How in the fuck can you expect an apology? Bitch, I'm a heavyweight. You a middleweight. Ain't told the middleweight. Ain't told the kitchen gang. Y'all see the finish line. I'm like an inch away. Choked and I elevate. Smoked and I levitate. Right up to heaven's gate. Light up for heaven's sake. Eat off the devil's plate. Call it a dinner date. My knowledge innovate. Knowledge just finna hate. Vision be pissing straight on to your dinner plate. Fuck a vacation here. I'm about to trip today. Some really selling that house. Call it real estate. I'm from the real estate. Right with the real estate. I am a real estate. Can I tell real we fake? We grind and we skate in circles. No figure right. No, you don't trigger spray. If you try, I hope it ricochet. Come back. Hit your face, knock you out cold like Pele, hit your face on a winter day. Turn it down the stereo, cause these clowns are hysterical in the sound of bearable adversarial. Bury those in the ground for burial bound. They carry those down to a town so terrible. I give impeccable, better respect the fucking incredible. I go ahead and put the ball with you rockin' red. I'm an ethical, proper, technical. I'm an infernal, burn up your head, screw the better, take it down. I'm a flammable, let the ammo go. Wait, nah, fuck that. Wake up, break a sweat tomorrow morning. Straight up, brace the chase and check tomorrow morning. You the 1, 2, roll 3, that's a 4 and 5 and 6. So hit whenever you throw all of yours. And when I was 6 and 5, I knew I was fortunate. I had 3 brothers, 2 parents, 1 mother, 1 father, who out of town, paid a brutal reward. But now I get sorted. One of them's gone and I feel like I'm broken up inside. Can't breathe and I feel like I'm choking up inside. Triggering, I'm bitter and I'm triggering the code that a motherfucker hold inside. No privacy, you never owned enough to hide. Alright, OC, that's my shit for tonight. Instagram at it's gotta B.HOLT. At it's gotta B.HOLT. I'm out, y'all.
You can see when you swimming with the sharks and it's dark. You can tell who be focused and who gon' fail. If you fail, you ain't